nearly there. So just adjusting what I call the tension plate now. So we don't want that too tight. Ooh. I'm going to back that off just a touch, I think. Half a turn. Oh, that sounds pretty good. I think I'm just going to tighten it a quarter of a turn more, I think. Just listen for that positive kind of thump as it gets put in place. Square that off. I think that's right. And then if I've got that correct, I should still be able to adjust the blade height and position, which I can do. Excellent. Let's see. The blades, don't know if you can see that. A bit out of focus, I guess. There you go. Blade sitting high. I'm going to adjust the blade now so it sits below the surface.